Are you looking for the perfect house that is just right outside of Grass Valley? Well, this is it. Just has a little over an acre of land. It's got a little guest quarters, a little play area over there as well. So much light, so much beauty. You'll love the backyard of this property with just these expansive, beautiful back decks that you'll enjoy the entertaining. This property has a brand new roof. It has brand new HVAC system as well. And it's got over a dozen Japanese maple trees that are absolutely spectacular. As you come in, I just absolutely love the open living room that it provides for all this light and entertaining with these giant windows with this beautiful ceiling there as well. And this, my favorite, is this little nook that sits back in here and steps down into a nook. This has got so many different fireplaces and fireplaces, mostly gas, but does have some wood as well. You can see those beautiful decks. And one of my very favorite rooms is this one that just brings in so much light that is actually right through to the kitchen area up in there, which is these beautiful skylights that we have too. And then it has pictures of a gorgeous little Japanese maple garden that is tucked back out right outside those windows as well. And then you just step up a couple steps into this beautiful kitchen, another little nook that has tons of light, another fireplace over there, a gas, with this beautiful kitchen in here. So guys, if you'd like to see this particular house or any others, feel free to reach out to me, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.